sign that goes behind some of my pins that I make. And I came up with, when I saw this idea on, was it TikTok or was it YouTube? Either or, one of the channels. It could have been on, I don't know, essay, could have been something. The new crave is they're taking these plastic 4x6. Don't quote me on that, but it's plastic square, and they're painting them, right? And today we're going to use this white acrylic paint and this Martha Stewart craft paint. It's pearl. This is a very pretty color, guys. Oh my word, it's beautiful. And it really looks like a pearl color. But they're taking either glass or plastic and they're painting over it and then putting whatever it is they want on top of it. Whatever sign they want, whatever they wanted to say, they're putting it on top of it. And it looks really jazzy. I already cut out my sign that I want. So it's going to say Rosalind's Journey here. Rosalind's Journey, pen creation, and in between pen, I'm going to have this pen I cut out on my Cricut machine. I also cut out the sign on my Cricut machine. So it's going to be something like this here. And on top of that, I'm going to put, since it's going to be for TikTok, I'm going to put this sign right above here. That's just a little, I love, to make these little signs, especially when I'm doing my pins and everything. I want everyone to know that that's my stuff, you know, opposed to me not having a sign at all. You can literally repost it and say it's yours. So to avoid that, I'm making this little sign here. It's going to be cute. You got to come back because I got a mirror that I'm also going to do with the same information on it. And yeah, I'm going to use that as I don't know, maybe a backdrop on my pen making videos. But yeah, so this is what I came up with. As you can see, in the back I used that pearl. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. I used that pearl in the white. Now this is the back side, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to take the plastic off. It looks so beautiful. Now, do I want that green on top or the white on top? I think I'm going to go with the white like this here. So I'm going to do it like that. I have my Cricut transfer sheet here. I have everything but scissors. So let me get a scissor so I can cut that out. And after we finish cutting it out, we're going to transfer it to this side. And then we're going to put it down. And guys, if you like what you see so far, can you hit that like button? And if you have not subscribed yet, I would appreciate if you would do that. If you're new, give me a shout out. If you're new, give me a 1 in a comment. I would really like to know if you're new to my channel. Yeah, so definitely I'm going to cut this out here. And I try to save as much material as possible. So we're just going to cut it out. Then I'm going to reuse it for the other part. But this is where I'm going. So I'm going to put it down here. And hopefully, I know for sure I have enough space to put that sign up there because I did some measuring. One thing about working with Cricut, you have to know measurements. Hey, if anybody in here got the new Cricut machine? That 4, I believe it is, Cricut 4? Guys, I'm still on Air 2. Does anybody in here has the Cricut 4 yet? I don't know. I seen it. It's pretty and everything. They said it works faster. That's all we need. We need that machine to work faster. I would really like to have that machine, but as I said, I have 2 Air 2s, and you know, right now is not the best time for me to buy a new machine. I also went on Cricut, what is it? Was it YouTube? Their YouTube page, and I asked them, listen, I have 2 Cricut Air 2s, Explorer Air 2s. Can I do a trade-in? you know, at some point, get back. Lord knows, we done gave enough. I just put it in the comments. I haven't heard anything back, but it would be nice if they would say, oh, the last time I did it when it came out with the maker, they did get back in touch with me and said, there's no, what am I going to say? There's no, well, right now what I'm doing is I'm transferring it to the transfer sheet. They got back in touch with me, I'm sorry, and said no trade-ins. So, you know, I'm waiting for a sweepstake or a giveaway or something and see if I can get it there. Because I won't be able to get that machine no time soon. And I don't even know if I want to purchase a new one since I have two, my ears, and they, you know, they work perfect, you know. I haven't had any problems ever since I purchased them, you know. But if it works faster, hey, why not? You know? So here we go. I transferred it to the transfer sheet, as you can see here. So now what I'll do is I'll pick it up. And now I will transfer it over to my plastic. I love saying that, my plastic. Be very careful putting it down, because I'm going to tell you something. So I'm trying to measure, make sure I get it down, because I don't want to pull it up once it's down. Got my little mat here. Let's see, guys. I'm gonna go with this. If it's a little off, that's okay. I made it just for me. So all I'm gonna do now is take my my little squeegee here. It's a plastic what do you call these things here? It's not coming to me right now, but I bought it from Amazon. And this thing works so good here. It's like a box cutter, but it's plastic. And it works so good on me, you know, helping me put down my transfer sheets, that I decided to use it when I use my, you know, working with my Cricut. But I usually use it to open my boxes. So let me see how this is going to work. One thing about working with plastic and these transfer sheets, it gets it on and it takes it off. I'm telling you, with no problem. But what do you guys think? And like I said, I have this pin here. I'm gonna cut this right here because that's just extra space. And here, and I wanted to see if I wanted to go this way or I wanted to come up this way. Up here. Yeah, I'm gonna put this over here because you know what, doing my measurements, it was supposed to be a little bit down further, so I could have put this right in front. But since that's not gonna work, I'm just gonna put it on the side over here. Let me just cut this off also. Less space, you know what you're working with. So I will put this right here, just like this. What do you guys think? I think that's cute. I think it'll work. You know, I have no complaints. I think it's cute. I think it's quick, and I think it'll work for what I want it to work with. So I'm gonna take this and get this pen on here. The one with the glass, I'm doing another one. It's with a round 10 by 10 glass. A mirror, I'm sorry, mirror. And I'm gonna put flowers on it, and I'm gonna put basically the same sign, but the difference is Rosalind Journey is gonna go around like that. So I'm gonna come from this way here. Yeah, something like this here. And it's just a quick, I'm not gonna say, I just want my sign to be in my video. You know, I don't have a water sign or anything like that. So this right here, you know, would be that water's sign. When I say water sign, maybe I'm saying it wrong. Just to let people know, you know, that this is your pens that you're making. Because some people will take your pens and say that they're, you know, that's their work. And we don't want that. But I see it done all the time. Somebody would say that those are my pens, those are my pictures, you know, that's my product. How did you just put your name on it? So to avoid that, I'm gonna go, you know, put my name on my stuff from now on. I have made signs in the past. A watermark, that's what it is, a watermark. So I'm considering this as my personal watermark, my own watermark. Now, if you can somehow cross it out or do whatever you want to do, then you good. But, you know, at least there'll be something there. You know, if things wasn't so bad, you wouldn't have to do watermark, but someone is always trying to take your name or your product and make it theirs, which I never understood, but it's being done on a daily basis, guys. So, you know, just be careful. So I'm going to put this, like I said, in this corner here because I don't have enough space. This was supposed to come down a little bit more. But I do think it's a beautiful color. I think it matches perfectly. So I'm going to put this right down here. Let's see how that works. That works. And there's 2 or 3 ways that you can stand up this plastic sign here. One is you can have something sit behind it. 2 is you can put some string, use a glue gun, put some string on both sides. Or you can purchase those stands from Amazon. Absolutely beautiful. The stands from Amazon, and it'll sit up like this. It'll sit up like this. I have a stand, so if you guys want to wait, I can show you that. I wasn't planning on showing you that, so I'm gonna go off and get the stuff that I need to do that, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so what I did just now was I call this a feet. I don't know why, but I call it a feet. What I did was I print these out on my Cricut. I have a template. I print these out on my template instead of purchasing them. Excuse me. I have a template with all different sizes, and what I do is I cut them out and make my stands for whatever it is that I want, just like this here. I do this with my my cutouts, my cartoon characters, to make them stand in the back. I believe I can do bigger ones just by transferring or making a copy of this here, just getting the idea. Because you can look at this and say, you know what, you can technically make this without a template, really. I've done it with I did a balloon arch, and I wanted a stand in the back, and I used cardboard to make a large version of this, and it worked At first it didn't. I had to manipulate it and do all kind of things, but I finally got it to work, and that arch stand up all night long. I was really proud of myself. So guys, don't give up. Don't think that you can't do it. If I thought that I couldn't do all that I do, I right now would be considered myself as a crafter. I am a crafter, guys, to my heart. I love crafting. I can craft all day long, guys. I really can. Just leave me alone and let me craft. But here you go. This is my sign I'm making for my TikTok to go behind my pins. And it's pretty cool. And yes, it does stand up on its own when we need it to. And so that's the purpose of it, right? To be able to stand on its own. So wherever I put it at, I don't have to worry about it falling. And again, I purchased this this template from Essay. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. I never get it correct. Essay. Yeah, from Essay. I purchased this template from Essay. So again, guys, if you want to make your own sign to go along with whatever it is that you're doing, whether you're doing balloon arches, whether you're doing a wedding, you want to put these on your tables, you can. Again, everything was cut out with my Cricut machine. Guys, yes, they do have a new Cricut, and I still have my old one, and I'm loving it. So guys, my name is Rosin from Rosin's Journey. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. While you're here, I would appreciate you hitting the like button, and I would appreciate you coming back to watch some more videos. I would really, really appreciate that, guys. Thank you and good night.